Hello, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and what I'm here to show you today is our selection of brand new Dodge Grand Caravan SEs. These are all the rear entry. These are all exactly the same except for the color. So I want to show you we have the silver, we've got the granite, the dark gray here, and I'm not real hip on colors. I'm lucky if I match my blue jeans with my t-shirt when I leave the door. Leave the house in the morning. Got the kind of maroon red here. We've got the black. We've got this royal blue. I love that color, it's beautiful. And of course we have the white. All these vans are exactly the same, and when I say exactly the same, everything is exactly the same on these vans except for the color, of course. So I want to show you our standard, the white model here. These are all rear entry, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. Trunk lid folds up, got the latch here, squeeze these up. This can all be operated with one hand. Very easy to do, very little to go wrong. You have a handle on the driver's side, you have a handle on the passenger side. Spring assisted. Look, I got one finger on this. I take this to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. 34 inches wide, 56 inches coming inside, 58 inches inside the van. So a little bit more width than the side entries. It's got 2 tie down points in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 up front. So these vans are made to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. You can see they have the rear air controls. The seats between there have 21 inches between them. Sometimes if you're going to use this for commercial purposes, people will remove one or both seats. We can put some jump seats in there. We can put some seats that flip up like this on both sides, flip up there and there. All this stuff is an upgrade. We're showing you the base model right now. All these vans, like I said, they are brand new. They have the window sticker over there. They all have the window sticker. They all have anywhere from 8 to 10 miles on them. So, most of them don't even have 20 miles on them. They all have the backup camera. They all have the rear air controls. If you have any other questions, they all have the steering wheel controls. Help keep your eye on the road. If you have employees, helps them keep their eyes on the road when they're adjusting the radio, cruise control. Got the plug-ins down here. Auxiliary port. So they're pretty base vans, but they do have a few nice options. Do a quick walk around of them. Again, these are all exactly, they all have black interior. Nothing is different on these vans other than the color. We offer these for the lowest price in the country. We offer free shipping. And you ask, how do we do it? Well, obviously we buy in bulk. But we also have a shipping company that allows us to ship things affordably. There's that window sticker. They're all going to have the window sticker. So this is just a quick video of all the vans. They're all exactly the same other than the color. I can't emphasize that enough. But if you have any questions about these, we do have financing available. We do have trade-ins available. We do take trades. That's a little hard if you're across the country, but talk to us. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Call me anytime for the best prices in the country. Check out our website. See everything we have at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you buy multiple vans, we can cut you a discount. If you pre-order these, meaning we ship them straight from the factory to you, we'll throw in a free set of Q straints, which is normally a $400 upgrade. We throw those in for free if you pre-order these. So call me. Let me help save your family money. Let me help save your business money. Take advantage of these beautiful brand new Dodge Grand Caravans. Thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions. Call us if you have any questions, and have a great day.